The new helicopter, now shown in a series of just-released, sleek-looking photographs, is designed with a smooth, stealthy, rounded fuselage, single rotor, back-tail rotor and internal weapons bay, intended to reduce radar signature, increase speed and agility, introduce new paradigms for sensing and targeting, and fire a new generation of long-range, precise air attack weapons. The aircraft is now 90% built, developers explained, as Bell engineers await the anticipated arrival of the helicopter's new engine, the highly efficient, new improved turbine engine, height, or T901 G900 T901. Once the engine arrives, the attack helicopter will essentially be ready to fly. The Bell approach, which seeks to accommodate, anticipate, and potentially help advance Army requirements for the new aircraft, which will fly alongside and potentially replace some upgraded Apache attack helicopters. Bell's Invictus 360 is now being evaluated by the Army alongside Lockheed Sikorsky's Raider X FARA offering. The FARA program for us with the United States Army is really two baselines. One is the competitive prototype. We are over 90% built. Essentially, we're waiting on the engine, which will be released from GE to the Army here later this year. But we're also developing the Increment 1 weapon system. So I've got a lot of engineers that are doing weapon system development. Chris Jaylor told Vice President and Program Director Bell 360, Future Attack and Reconnaissance Aircraft. Clearly, the Invictus 360 helicopter is built with an ability to fire Hellfire, JAM, and other existing cutting-edge weapon systems, yet key elements of its future arsenal remain an open question. This may in large measure be by design, given that emerging technologies are presenting new weapons options rapidly, such as lasers, EW systems, AI-enabled in-flight course correcting, and longer range, more precise targeting. Therefore, it would make sense that engineers would seek to build the aircraft with a specific mind to upgradability. Alongside the many open questions regarding the aircraft's future weapons configuration, the Army has set clear parameters for FARA to fire a Quantum cannon. However, the internal weapons bay will accommodate yet another critical function highly sought after by the Army, and that is an ability to launch mini and even medium-sized attack and surveillance drones called Air-Launched Effects, ALE. The Bell Invictus 360 is specifically built to execute this mission, with an 82-inch long payload bay configured to reduce drag and also carry weapons and ALE for a wide range of missions. The payload bay is defined by the Army for us. They are using those parameters and they are providing guidance to the ALE developers. Really, an ALE medium and ALE large have about the same footprint. Maybe the diameter is a little bit bigger, so they're thinking about the FARA payload bay, Jaylor said. The payload bay and internal weapons capacity also brings the added advantage of reducing the helicopter's radar signature. Certainly protruding, sharp edges and shapes such as weapons pylons or angle configurations are likely to generate a clearer rendering or return signal for enemy radar. While the exact extent of the 360's stealth properties may not be available for understandable security reasons, the visible external shape and internal weapons bay do seem to exhibit radar signature reducing capabilities.